What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, I'm Joe. I want to say thanks to everybody who's subscribed to the channel, trying to help it grow a little bit. And if you're new, please remember to like, subscribe, share, comment, click the notification bell, all that good stuff. And today's video, we're actually going to be working on the XJ, and we're going to be installing some Boomerang shackles from K Suspension. If you haven't ordered anything from him before, I think his name is, I hope I'm pronouncing this correctly, Rafi. I mean, his customer service is, in my opinion, great. I had a little issue with these coming through the mail, and I did my part on my side, he did his part on his side, and they actually came. But these are his Boomerang shackles. They come in a do-it-yourself kit where you fold it and weld it. I'm not a welder. I don't know how to weld. I like to know how. Or you can buy it as a kit like this. It's already welded up. It ships raw steel. I painted these ones. It comes with new hardware. You get, your bolt, some bushings, a sleeve, everything you need to put it on. I also have his shackle relocation kit on this Jeep, and I plan on ordering some other things like I guess he calls it or everybody calls it the Viper coil upgrade or what have you, where you take off the coil pack that comes stock on 2001 Jeeps, and a couple other things he has on his website. So if you haven't heard of him, go check him out. He's cool. Customer service great, and all that good stuff. So with these Boomerang shackles, from what I read and what I've seen, you get a little bit more articulation. So when you have it on here, when your axle droops, it swings this way, and when you tuck your wheel into your fender well, it goes this way. Not sure about them. Like I said, I've never used them, so I'm gonna get them mounted up here and see how they do. I already did the other side, just for video sake wise, keep it kind of short. And again, thanks, and please like, subscribe, share, comment, and all that good stuff. Let me get the Jeep jacked up and set up over here, and we'll get them on. All right, so the first things first here, we gotta remove the old shackle. I'm gonna try to, like I did the other side, I didn't remove the wheel or anything. I just jacked the back of my Jeep up by basically the hitch, and it went pretty smooth. So we're gonna try it again on this side. So we gotta remove this old shackle, and then we'll get the new one installed. Sorry if I'm blocking the camera there. Alright, so that's it for the old shackle. Now let me grab my anti-seize and see if we can't get the new one in. Alright, so I'm going to start by putting the bottom in first. Now that I got anti-seize on everything under the sun. Just kind of loosen it up. Loosely put it up there, I'm sorry. Now, I'm going to take my jack handle here and hopefully push this down far enough where I can get it over to the second hole over here. I had to find a hammer now. Some persuasion. All right. Well, she's not quite there yet. Gotta go up a little higher. See what it looks like on the other side over here. Looks like I'm a little off tilt on this side, so you can't bring it back. All right. Now, we just gotta tighten everything back down. All right, let's take a look. Now I don't know the exact position they're supposed to sit in, so we're gonna have to trial and error this. I mean, so that's what it looks like bolted on. This is K Suspension's shackle relocation. So, and the shackles I had on here measure like, I think 3.5 inches. These measure 6 inches hole to hole. I think on the website they say they're made out of 3/16 steel. So let's look at the other side. So they're in the same position, same hole. All right, thanks for watching. Try to keep this video kind of short, and like I said, if you haven't checked out K Suspension, I definitely would. I mean, it seems pretty decent, good prices, good customer service. I'm not sponsored by him by any means. I just kind of like the website and the prices, and I kind of like that when you call there, he answers the phone. So that kind of, just like I said, just like it. So please leave a comment, like, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell. I hope this helps somebody. It's not too hard, pretty easy. Like I said, I don't know if they're in the right angle or not, so if somebody does know if they're correct or incorrect, please let me know. I'm just going to drive it around, see how the rod feels. If I need to go out one or in one, then I will. And see y'all in the next one. Thanks again.